Morning guys, welcome back. Today is Sunday. I am going for my long run today. I couldn't do it yesterday, my husband had to work, so I'm only doing it today on Sunday, and I am just preparing my breakfast. I have my oats here, and I'm also making some coffee here. And today I have 30 kilometers to do, and I'm doing it alone, which is terrifying. But the weather's really nice. It's like not cold and not hot, but the sun is not there at all. I just hope it doesn't start raining because it's looking very cloudy and very foggy. And I am taking 3 gels. I think I'll do what I did with the 27. Take one around 6 to maybe like 15, 22, 24. We'll see. Yeah, but I'm taking 3. And as for my water today, I'm taking some electrolytes. I got this from Clicks. It's the Clicks brand. I do sweat a lot. I don't know if you guys have noticed. I sweat a lot, and especially on these long runs, I sweat a lot. So I'm hoping this will help me regain all those minerals that I lose. But yeah, this is the Recovery Plus from Clicks. Is the Clicks brand. I'm gonna try this today. It says put 1 scoop with 500 ml of water, which is perfect size for my bowl. So this not only helps with hydration, but it also helps with recovery, like post-workout recovery, which is perfect because after running 30 Ks, I am going to be exhausted and just tired. So like that, and then I'm gonna add my water in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat my breakfast, and then I will see you guys on the road. I just finished my 30k in 4 hours and 4 minutes, and I'm home and I'm so exhausted. I'll see you guys tomorrow hopefully. Bye.